So this video is to share a remarkable change in the gutters that I've made in cleaning this spring. This is a before and this is the after. After using a couple of things that I bought off of Amazon, it came out we were considering painting these gutters, but instead we decided to clean them, and it just came out remarkably well. So again, that's the after. And then this is the before. You can see how much difference there is. So let's talk about how we got there and what did we use. Okay, how we cleaned that gutter was just two products. You can get these off Amazon and the link is down below. If you purchase these, go ahead and use the link, because that helps pay for my time in sharing this information with you. So first, on the right hand side is a product called Chomp. It's a gutter and siding cleaner. This is remarkable. I mean, it cleans black streaks, it cleans algae, it cleans dirt. This is about the best I've found, and this is my first time using it, and this is much better than high pressure washing. High pressure washing just didn't clean it up at all. And then on the left is the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. And on the second coat of using this gutter cleaner, what I do is I take the Magic Eraser and it cleans up any remaining discoloration and takes off the old paint, and works really well. So a combination of those two makes the gutters really clean. So this is the best way to do that, and I'll show you also the jig that I built here. This is also made by the same company, Chomp, and you find this on Amazon, and again the link is down below. This is an extension for reaching gutters that are up high. You don't have to get on a ladder, and basically you can scrub them without getting up there close. Now when you get the Magic Eraser, you do have to get up to the gutter and basically get close to it and do the work with the Magic Eraser. But this product by itself, Chomp, did really good in cleaning it up. And that's just an extension rod that I bought off Amazon, and I'll keep the link down below as well. So the best by far for cleaning gutters is this combination, and it has worked, and it's taken off about 20 years of grime off of the house, and it's worked very well. So here's a spot on the house that is a yellow discoloration on the paint. That was from overspray, hard water stains from a sprinkler system, the prior owner, that he let it overspray onto the house. Now, using those same products, the Chomp as well as the Magic Eraser, I did a test spot to see if that paint was still below there and if it was usable. You can see the spot. This works remarkably well. We were considering painting this house before we found this, so it would have cost us thousands to paint it. And instead we're just cleaning it and cleaning off the old hard water stains, and doing that in basically one afternoon. So again, I'm making this video to share this information so that it may help someone else out that's trying to do the same thing. Okay folks, so what we've done is a review of how to clean house gutters and getting the grime off of brick and the HardiePlank siding. If you would click like and subscribe, and then the links to buy these products are down below. Please use them if you consider them. You buy them off Amazon, but it helps me pay for my time and make these videos. So again, this Chomp gutter siding cleaner and Mr. Clean Magic Eraser is a combination that will save you a lot of time and money.